Hola, what nobody tells you about Spanish language. Have you ever struggled with the Spanish grammar, verb conjugation, or a tricky pronunciation? There are 10 common difficulties that learners encounter while learning Spanish language. They are verb conjugation, gender and noun agreement, ser and estar, subjunctive mood, different accents and dialects, cognates and false friends, word order and sentence structure, idiomatic expressions and listening comprehension. Today, I want to share with you the solutions and strategies to overcome the difficulties in learning Spanish. Number one, practice verb conjugations regularly, focus on different tenses, use online resources, flashcards, and exercise to reinforce your understanding. Verb conjugation drills can help automate correct forms. Number two, pay close attention to the gender of nouns and practice using adjectives, articles, and pronouns that agree with them. Create flashcards to remember gender associations. Number three, understand the fundamental difference between ser and estar. Practice their usage in various contexts and explore yourself through reading, listening, and conversation. Number four, practice Spanish pronunciation regularly. Use language learning apps with the speech recognition features. Listen to native speakers and consider working with a language partner or a tutor to get the feedback on pronunciation. Number five, study the rules and contexts in which subjunctive mood is used. Practice constructing sentences using subjunctive and expose yourself to authentic materials to see it in context. Number six, expose yourself to various accents and dialects by listening to music, watching movies, and engaging with native speakers from different regions. Number seven, cognates and false friends. Create a list of commonly confused words with correct meanings. Use context clues and incorporate them into sentences. Number 8. Practice constructing Spanish sentences. Pay attention to the word order and sentence structure. Compare English and Spanish sentence structures to identify differences and similarities. Number 9. Make a list of idiomatic expressions. Use them in context and try to understand their meanings, and then practice in real conversations. Number 10. Improve listening skills by regularly listening to Spanish audio materials such as podcasts, audiobooks, and native speakers. Start with slower paced content and gradually move on to faster speech. Hope this video is informative and useful. Please let me know if you have any challenges other than this. Buena suerte on your language adventure. Subscribe for more tips and remember,